Today, I will tell you about these 3 gadgets that make rotating tires, changing oil, and maintaining the 12-volt battery much easier. Watch to the end to learn why and how. Gadget number 1 is this furniture lifter tool. I find that the most difficult part of the tire rotation is placing the wheels back on the wheel studs because it requires holding the wheel off the ground while aligning the studs with wheel holes at the same time. The steel wheels and tires on this model of Sienna are heavy and my back feels strained when I'm doing this step. This is where this furniture lifter tool is indispensable. Once the wheel is positioned next to the wheel hub, I insert the lip of the furniture lifter tool under the tire and lift the wheel by pushing down on the lever of the device with the right hand, while my left hand guides the wheel onto the studs. The rollers of the device are particularly helpful during this step. A few threads of the first lug nut secure the wheel on the studs. I hope you like this gadget trick. At $16, it's worthwhile having it on hand. See a link to this product in the description. Now it's time to talk about the Fumoto Oil Valve I love using when changing engine oil. I have a question. How many of you who do your own oil change had experience dealing with over-torqued oil drain plug after the vehicle has been elsewhere for maintenance? After owning 17 vehicles, I dealt with this issue several times. Installing a Fumoto valve prevents this problem. The normal oil change process has a number of fiddly steps, like having to use a new washer for the drain plug and needing to torque the plug to spec after every oil change. This is where a permanent oil drain valve like this Fumoto valve is a time saver, and it is a pleasure to use. It takes seconds to open it to drain oil and securely close it again without use of any tools. When I brought our Sienna to a dealer, they didn't have any issues or comments about the valve when changing oil. This model of Fumoto valve costs $33, and it is a good value as it should last for the rest of the vehicle's life. See a link in the video description. Finally, a gadget I had to install as a part of electric system in the Toyota Sienna Hybrid to prevent the discharge of the 12-volt battery. Hybrid Sienna, like many modern vehicles, has numerous sensors and electrical circuits. Some of these stay active even when the vehicle is parked. When the vehicle is driven frequently, the 12-volt battery is recharged while driving. Long-term parking, however, can lead to a complete discharge of the 12-volt battery. We use our Sienna primarily as our camping vehicle, and it is driven only occasionally between November and April. In the first 2 years of ownership, we experienced 2 12-volt battery discharge events and had to jumpstart the Sienna using cables connected to the 12-volt battery from our Tesla. To solve this issue, I bought and installed this onboard car battery charger, a little device designed to be connected to and installed near the 12-volt battery to monitor battery voltage and automatically charge the battery when needed. This device has LED indicators on the front that show the status of the battery and when it is being charged. The device is powered by plugging into a standard 110-volt outlet. In winter months, you can simply plug the onboard battery charger directly into a 110-volt outlet in your garage. This gadget costs $40, and for the peace of mind on the road and longevity of the 12-volt battery, it is worthwhile in my view. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. More Hybrid Sienna videos are on the way. See you next time.